Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to Somali Essentials. Today we are going to be learning some prepositions and how to use them in Somali. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Here we have some pre-verbal prepositions. Let's start with the first. We have u, to, and for. We have ku, which is to mean at, in, and by means of. We have ka, from and about. And we have la, which is with. All of these prepositions are going to be used before a verb. Now we're going to have another set of prepositions, and they will also be used before a verb as well. So wait on that. Here are some examples. I will tell Khalid, Khalid wan ushagidona, Khalid wan ushagidona. Pour water in the cup. Bio kobka kushub. Bio kobka kushub. You write in the school. Dugsiga wad ku qorta. Dugsiga wad ku qorta. Muhammad flew from London. Muhammad London would kadushe. Muhammad London would kadushe. Bring chicken from the shop. Digag dukanka kaken. Digag dukanka maken kaken. I stayed with Ali. Ali won la joga. Ali won la joga. Now here are some movement prepositions. These are used to indicate the movement of the person or the doer. Here are the prepositions. We have so, which is to represent here, in this direction, and it can also be used to do a verb and come back. It can represent doing a verb and coming back. We have see, which is in that direction, there, and in the meantime. We have wada, which means together, and we have kala, which means separately. Now here are the examples. Way su'dan, they walked. Way so su'dan, they walked this way. Way si su'dan, they walked that way. Way wada su'dan, they walked together. Way kala su'dan, they walked separately. And then here is the bonus example. We have Somal, which means go and milk, like go milk. And that is what the origin of Somali is. Now lastly, you can also combine the prepositions, the pre-verbal prepositions, with the object pronouns. So we can combine the preposition, for example, you, which is for, and I, which is me, to make a preposition e, for me. So we have e, for me, igu, in me, iga, from me, ila, with me, ku, for me, kugu, in me, from me, with you. We have no, my bad, ku, kugu, kuga, kula. We have no, for us, nagu, in us, naga, from us, nala, with us, ino, for us, inagu, in us, inaga, from us, inala, with us, idin, for you all, idinku, for you, in you all, idinka, from you all, idinla, with you all, and lastly, lo, from oneself, or for oneself, lagu, in oneself, laga, from oneself, and lala, with oneself. Alright, that's the end of this video. If you had benefited from this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll come back with a future video, and until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.